Have you ever felt helpless and even fallen into deep despair? Have you ever felt that no matter how hard you try, you can't escape from the quagmire of difficulties? At these moments, we often ignore our own inner strength. This power is like a buried treasure. Once excavated, it will bring infinite light and hope. How to release your inner power and prove that you are stronger than you think. Everyone has a bright light in their hearts. As long as you look for it carefully, you can find the light that illuminates the road ahead. This bright lamp is our inner strength. Everything is like a dream bubble, like dew and electricity, which should be seen as such. This sentence reminds us that all difficulties and pain in the world are temporary, and what is truly eternal is the wisdom and strength in our hearts. In the face of difficulties, the first step we need to do is to calm down and find the bright light in our hearts. Buddha taught us that no matter how dark the moment is, as long as there is light in our hearts, it can illuminate the way forward. This light source is our inner strength and our real support. Meditation, focusing on breathing, and feeling the inner peace, these simple exercises can help us find our inner strength. Another key to releasing inner power is wisdom. Buddhist teachings emphasize that wisdom can help us see the truth of things, so as to better cope with difficulties. When we look at the problem with wisdom, we can find a solution and grow from it. Wisdom is like a sharp sword, which can break the difficult fog and let us see the light ahead. Confidence is crucial when we face difficulties. Firm belief can drive us out of trouble. Faith is the mother of merit and virtue, and nourishes all good roots. Confidence is the source of wisdom and strength. When we believe in our inner strength, we can stimulate infinite potential from the bottom of our hearts. The spirit of compassion in Buddhism can also help us release our inner strength. When we treat ourselves and others with compassion, our hearts will be full of love and warmth, and this positive energy can dispel all darkness. Compassion is not only the care for others, but also the love for oneself. When we learn to love ourselves and respect our feelings, we can gain infinite strength from it. In difficult situations, we often feel anxious and uneasy. Buddhism teaches us that maintaining a peaceful state of mind is the key to dealing with difficulties. Peaceful heart allows us to think calmly and find a solution to the problem. All laws are born because of fate, and all laws are destroyed by cause. All difficulties have a reason and will eventually pass. As long as we keep peace, we can get through the difficulties. Gratitude is also an important way to release inner strength. Gratitude can bring inner peace and satisfaction. When we are grateful for every little happiness in life, we can see the bright side, thus enhancing our inner strength. There is no difference between the Buddha of the heart and all sentient beings. When we treat everything around us with gratitude, our hearts can gain infinite power from it. Believe in your inner wisdom, which will guide you to light and truth. Everyone has inherent wisdom and insight. When we believe in our intuition and inner guidance, we can find the truth and inner calmness. Believe in your inner strength, because it can help you overcome all difficulties and challenges. Everyone has inherent strength and tenacious spirit. When we believe in our inner strength, we can overcome difficulties and challenges in life and find our true potential.